Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the Rapid Charger from Milwaukee. This is the 48-59-1802, and so this is really cool that it will do two batteries at the same time. The other fast charger that I have from DeWalt, which I also did a comparison on, is one battery at a time. I have seen other charging banks from DeWalt that have more than one battery, but these were pretty similar for being fast chargers. Everything looked pretty good coming out of the packaging, and you had the little protector that you take off over the plug, two-prong plug here. And these chargers do give you a little diagram of what you're looking for. If it's red, it's charging. When it's about to be finished, it flashes green. Solid green is charged. Flashing red and green is a broken pack, or if it's not connected properly. So we went ahead and got our 8 amp hour batteries. These ones only had 1 bar, and we put them both on the charger at the same time and got them going. So they are still a little loose when you have them connected. So sometimes it's hard to tell if it's all the way seated or not. And on the older charger that I have, it definitely had to be clicked into position, but these ones seem to be pretty good here. So we started our clock and wanted to see how long it would take to do an 8 amp hour battery. Now, of course, different size batteries will charge differently, and I have a video that I can put in the description that also shows the DeWalt fast charger with some of its times, but it's hard to compare these apples to apples with so many different amp hours. So check the video description for that. Getting close. All right, 4 bars, still technically red, coming up on an hour. Okay, 1 hour and 8 minutes, about an hour and 10 minutes, here we are, and we're just changing from red to green. It's just finishing up. So that was for an 8 amp hour battery, and remember, temperature is a big key here. It's not too hot, it's probably about 70 degrees in the garage right now. Okay, the fans just turned off. We're about 1 hour, 17, 18 minutes, somewhere around there. And they both turned off at roughly the same time. So we got our solid green there. Again, these are 8 amp hour batteries. All right, reload here. I'm doing a 12 amp hour battery here and another 8 amp hour battery here. So this one should take quite a bit longer to charge. All right, it just turned off. We're at basically 1 hour, 49 minutes, just shy of 2 hours. So basically what that means is for every 6 amp hours that you have of a battery, it will be about an hour to charge that. 2 hours to charge a 12 amp hour battery. It was an hour and 20 minutes or so for an 8 amp hour battery. So this 3 amp hour battery should take, half an hour to 45 minutes. So that's basically the time frame that you can be looking for. Now notice how loose these are even when they're on all the way. On this charger, I had first put it on and I was worried to break it, and it was doing the red and green, so I thought the battery pack might be broken. But it took kind of really hustling that one on there, where these ones are still loose when they're on, and that's just kind of seems like that's the difference between these two. So check the video description for our full tools review playlist, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.